Thank you very much, MC, for that wonderful introduction to ABP. At the outset, I would like first to greet our local superior, Sister Laresa N. Morasa. Our Sister Imelda Insalada. Together with our assistant school principal, Ms. Nelsie Dieves. Ang ating mga sister in charge, of course, ang ating mga members of faculty. At ang lahat ng mga sisters of Mary School. Of course, sa ating mga estudyante, not only doon sa mga tumanggap na awards, but also doon sa mga hindi tumanggap. Better luck next time. Isang maganda at pagpalang araw sa ating lahat. O, pati naman natin kung katabi natin ng vlogger. Nakangiti ha? Okay. Today marks another milestone in your life. Ladies and sisters of Mary, as you embark on another step of your academic pursuit. This event, as previously mentioned by the speakers, is not just a celebration of awards and achievements. It is a celebration of growth, perseverance, and determination you took to reach this bar. Bilang mag-aaral sa paaralang ito, alam kong hindi madali ang pinagdadaanan nyo, lalo na at malayo kayo sa piling ng inyong mga mahal sa buhay. I should know because I was once like you. Nakita ko kayo kanina, nagkaroon ako ng reminiscence of my past. Probably 35 years ago. That was 1991 when I graduated doon sa Sisters of Mary Bacood sa Tabesa. Looking at you, sabi ko na sa kabila ng kalungkutan at iba't ibang sakripisyo ay naandito pa rin kayo at nananatiling matatak at lumalaban. Kaya naman ang araw ng parangal na ito ay para sa inyo. Kalakpakan nyo ang inyong mga sarili. Siyempre, iaalin din natin ang parangal na ito, ating mga sisters, at sa ating mga guro. Kalakpakan natin sila. Whether your name is called today or not, remember this. Recognition is not only measured by medals or certificates, but by the effort you put in, the lessons you learned, and the resilience you showed when things get tough. To those who receive awards, take pride in your accomplishment, but stay humble and continue striving. Your journey is still but rather, for those who may feel unnoticed today, yung mga hindi nakatanggap ng awards, ngayon, do not be discouraged. Your journey is still unfolding, and your time to shine will come kung kayo ay magpupursige at magsisikap para mag-top sa klase. Success is not a race. It is a personal journey shaped by enduring discipline, sheer will, and strong determination. Nasasamahan natin ng pagdarasal. As what Father Al had said, and I quote,